Hey everyone, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. I got my buddy's car here today, and it was all chipped up, and he'd covered it with some other paint and it was still lifting off, and so I'm gonna give him a shot on the hood and a little bit on the roof, and so patch her up, get them by a few more years. Here in the south, you know, it's not too hard on the cars, so they last a long time. Bodies are good, and unlike Michigan, got them doggone iron moths eating her alive. So this is a 2013 Hyundai, and it's a Y8 paint code, and we're gonna see what we can do with it. Base coat clear. I'm using a bit of this dolphin glaze with comes with the hardener. Boy, this stuff is super thin, but you know, filling some of these paint chip divots in any little dents from rocks, and so but we are moving along. Got a bit of primer on, self-etching, and so we're going along. Take it easy. Well, I got her sanded up and mask off. I'm going to paint the whole roof, and I'm going to paint the whole hood. So hopefully she'll come out all right. I hit the edge over here, right here. So I'm going to take and try to blow that in a little bit with just some a little bit of color and just a dash of clear. Hopefully it don't get too hard an edge. I got the tape pulled back, so hopefully we'll get a bit of a softer edge there. So we'll see, but come back after I got some paint on her.